Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you've never seen me before, my name is Pam, and on my channel I make hair, beauty and mom lifestyle types of videos. So if you like, please subscribe down below. So I might sound a little beat up. I have a bad flu right now, but I had to make this video, had to put it up. We have to keep going. Yeah, so I had to make this video, so if I sound some kind of way, just ignore it. So in today's video, you guys, I want to share with you guys some of the new makeup products that I got. I didn't buy all this stuff. It was sent to me to try out. So I'm just gonna get straight into it. Let's just get straight. I'll be introducing one thing at a time so that I don't confuse you. Okay, so for foundation, we're gonna use the Estee Lauder. This is like my favorite foundation. Like, if I want like a look that's gonna last me a little bit longer, I'm gonna use this today. So I'm gonna use a little bit on my Artist Beauty brush. I'm just gonna use a little bit. Like, most of the times I want to use foundation, but I want my makeup to look a little natural. So I'm just gonna do that. Let's just, you know, speed this up so that we don't spend much time. I don't know if you guys can tell, but you guys, the flu is, oh my god. Anyway, so for eyeshadow, I'm gonna use this palette from Bobbi Brown. It's their Luxe Meadow Rose eyeshadow palette that they just released, and you can get this from Sephora if you like. So I'm just gonna show you guys the colors that are in there. You guys, I love packaging. Like, look at all that goodness. Look at all that goodness. Like, these are like one of, oh my god, I love this palette. I'm not even exaggerating because this is like so me. Let's just dig into, I'm gonna do like a simple look, like a very simple look. So I'm gonna go with Deep Bloom, like that. Like, you guys have probably noticed, like, I just do like this, almost the same makeup. It's this one over here, just to, you know, blend it with the Deep Bloom. And I'm just gonna blend it like so that it brings a little, you know, color to the eye. All I do is just blend it. I'm just blending it together. I don't know if you guys can see that color, but I'm just blending it. And focusing like on over here, like the middle part of my eye, and then pushing it towards this side. Like that. Honey. Oh my god. Just look at that shadow. Oh, honey. To contour just a little bit, I'm gonna use my True Complexion contour palette. Okay, to contour, I'm gonna use my True Complexion contour palette. So those are the colors, and I usually go with this one over here, you know, just to bring a little shape over there. You guys, I just do what works for me. Like, I always say this, like, just do what works for you, because it's like trends keep changing, you know. Like, people keep saying don't do your concealer like this. Okay, this time do your concealer like this. Okay, fine, okay, we're gonna change. And then next time they're doing the same thing. Oh, don't do this trend. But you're the one who told us to do this. Now you're telling us not to do this again. So it's really like confusing. So I feel like just do what works for you. at the end of the day, if it makes you happy, then it is what it is. Oh my god. Anyway, so I'm just gonna, you know, just blend this, you know, just to bring a little shape on the face. Okay, so for bronzer, I'm gonna use the Becca Cosmetics, their new bronzer, and this is in the shade Maui Nights. I don't know if that's how they pronounce it, but I'm just gonna, you know, just do a little over there, honey. Oh my god, that looks good. She coming through. She coming through. I love this shade. Like, it's bringing out, you know, some cute shimmery vibes. My lashes are taking like forever to dry up. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead with the Ultimate Lip Definer from Becca Cosmetics as well, just to line my lips. These things. Okay, let's use the same side. And then I'm gonna go with the lipstick. So this is the shade and chocolate, and yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and just apply this. Oh my god, smells good, tastes good. Like, I use the Revolution Hyaluronic Fix just to set my face. So I'm gonna be right back to show you guys the final look with my eyelashes. Alright, you guys, this is the final look to that makeup. Honey, I love it. Like, I still look like me. Honey, you hear me? So I still look like me, and this hair that I'm wearing is an Amazon hair. I'll link it below, just in case you guys want to check it out. It's beautiful hair, it's synthetic hair, so just in case you guys want to check it out. But I'm loving this look so much, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If anything of the items that I have used, the products that I have used in this video, if you like them, please check the description box. I'll have everything linked down below. And you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.